kids, do you like unicorns and cats? Well, we're going to show you how to draw a unicorn cat. Starting with the outline, some ears, a bit of fur, nose, the unicorn horn, lovely, inner ears, eyes, some cheeks, a nice cheeky cat face. Now we're going to draw the outline of a cup. So our cute kitty is sitting in a cup. And the paws hanging over the edge there. And the handle. Oh, it's so cute. The base of the cup. And a face on the cup. Smiling, of course. We like a happy cup. Finishing off the last final details. Paws. Patches. The inner rim of the cup. And a smiley cat face. Don't forget the whiskers. And the eyebrows. There, ready to paint. Yeah, starting with sparkly pink. Let's paint the top part of the unicorn horn. And yellow. Yellow next to the pink. Yes, I think so. Turquoise. Turquoise can go next. Brilliant. Now for the red. Let's paint our mouth red. And pink. Pink can go on the inner ears. And the cheeks and the nose. Oh, and the little patches. And the paws. Yeah, gorgeous. Let's go back to yellow again. Yellow can go on the cup. There, let's make a gorgeous sparkly yellow cup. Bright, sunny, colourful, vibrant, happy yellow. Don't you just love it? What colour would you like to paint your cup? How about gold? You could even make it multicoloured at the front or put a pattern on it. Anything you like, really. Be creative. There. Now, some green. Green's going to go on the inside rim of the cup at the top. And some peach for the cup's mouth. A little bit of purple. Under the green, I think. Then red for the handle. Wow, this is really starting to look fantastic. What do you think, kids? Do you like it? Let's go back to turquoise because I love that colour. It's perfect for a finishing touch. Lovely. There you have it. A gorgeous unicorn cat in a rainbow cup.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!